Located at the intersection of West 65th Street and Detroit Avenue in Cleveland's Detroit Shoreway neighborhood is the Gordon Square Arcade. Built in 1921 by the Allen family, the arcade boasted a 72-stall public market, a roller rink, 50,000 square feet of office space, a 40-room hotel, and the Capitol Theater, the finest movie and vaudeville theater in Cleveland. Billed by its developers as the Times Square of Cleveland, the arcade was the hub and the heart of the Detroit Shoreway neighborhood. Over the years, the Detroit Shoreway neighborhood and Cleveland's manufacturing base, however, went through periods of economic change and decline, and the arcade building suffered. In a dramatic 1979 event, the arcade's cornice came crashing to the ground. The Capitol Theater itself, however, remained operable until the early 1980s, when severe water damage from a leaky roof and a lack of any climate control system finally forced its closure. Familiarity with the design-build project delivery model enabled Marous Brothers Construction personnel to develop alternative means and methods to achieve the desired results while tracking their impacts on both budget and schedule. Since the Capitol Theater is located within the Gordon Square Arcade building, a portion of which was renovated in 2006 by Marous, they were familiar with many of the building's quirks and characteristics. As a result, Marous Brothers Construction was able to utilize this knowledge to direct the efforts of the project team and eliminate some of the contingent risks that these types of projects pose to developers. Through this renovation, the Capitol Theater has been converted into a 420-seat main theater on the ground floor and two 100-seat balcony theaters in the partitioned mezzanine level. The terraced design of the balcony enabled the project designers to create modern stadium-style seating theaters, utilizing the existing architecture and room configuration to meet current moviegoer standards of comfort. The Capitol also features the first fully digital and 3D projection system in the state of Ohio with enhanced acoustics equipment. The official groundbreaking for the Capitol Theater's renovation took place on May 14, 2008. The renovations reached 90% completion in May 2009, and the grand opening of the theater taking place October 10, 2009.